Bison Band. We are going to be doing some intervals today. Last week in tutorial number 1, we did unisons and thirds, which are the same note and a note that is one note away. So today for us, I have a different activity where we're going to be doing intervals that are a third or a fifth away, meaning it is 2 notes away or 4 notes away. Let's go ahead and take a look at what this looks like in our game. Okay, so you are going to see notes here, and you're going to have a choice between a third and a fifth. And what I want you doing is counting how far away the notes are. And you're going to count each space and each line as 1. So for this, 1, 2. And we know a third is going to be 2 notes away. That was from last week. So I see 1, 2. I know that this is a third. Now here's our new one. This is a fifth. Now a fifth is 4 notes away. The same way that a third is 2 notes away, it seems like 1 less than it should be. A fifth, which sounds like it should be 5 notes away, is really 4 notes away. Same little rule here. I can count this up. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5 notes away. That's my fifth. And then I'll count this one up. 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be our fifth because it's 4 notes away. And then let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a fifth. And then 1, 2, 3. Now this sign here, this is a sharp sign, and that means it's a higher sounding version of the note. But for now, we can actually, I set this up to ignore sharp signs, or if it looks like a little pointy bottom letter B, that's a flat sign. We can ignore those for now. I'm just talking about the distance of 1, 2 notes away. This for now is not going to change that. That's something that we'll talk about more later. So again, for now, this would be another third. So if there is a question that you have that I did not cover in this video, please make sure you visit my office hours, submit a support request in the Google form in your Google Classroom. I am here to help. Till then, game on.